Okay, hello. Today I will be showing you how to take out hard drive. So first of all you want to do is take out all 9 screws from behind the computer, as I'm doing so. For time's sake, I'm gonna cut off some of the screws because you know how to take off screws. All right, 5 hours later, I guess, and here's the last screw I'm gonna take out. Just let me focus, and boom, it's done. So the second thing you want to do is take out the battery. You can never work with a computer that still has light to it. So it's simple. Just pull the 2 tabs out and pull out the battery. 2 tabs are located on the right and left top of the computer. Very easy, you can miss. Next thing you want to do is take out the back piece of the computer. To do that, it's easy. You want to grab the top side to where the screen opens and closes and pull them out, like I'm doing so. If done correctly, the computer should pop out really easily, but as you can see, I did not do that, and there we go. So now that we open up the computer, now what we're looking for is the hard drive, which is the thing I just pointed at. It's the green thing right at the bottom left hand side of the computer. In order to take out, you have to unscrew 2 screws, 2 tiny screws. They're located at the bottom and top right of the computer. So now that I've taken out the 2 small screws, what you want to do now is just gently pull out the hard drive, like so, and there you go. That's how you remove a hard drive. Now, since the hard drive I'm using doesn't really have anything wrong, I'm going to put it back in. So to put it back in, you just do the step you just did, but reverse them. You just push it in gently, put back the 2 screws you unscrewed, the 2 smaller ones, one on the top and one on the bottom, and can't put the screw back in, and presto, just put them back in. It's a simple process, not really that complicated, and done.